Something big is happening in the world of artificial intelligence right now, and most people have no idea how serious it really is. For years, every major company has been racing to build the smartest AI system on the planet. Google, OpenAI, Microsoft, Meta, and many others have spent billions of dollars trying to lead this race. But while everyone was busy fighting over chatbots and software, Elon Musk was quietly working on something much bigger. He was building a real physical machine that can think, learn, walk, and work just like a human. And now that machine has a name. The world calls it Grok Gen 1, and according to many experts, Elon Musk has just taken the lead in the global AI race in a way that no one expected. This is not just another tech story. This is the start of a new chapter in human history. To understand why, we need to look at what is really happening behind the scenes at Tesla and xAI. The humanoid robot market is exploding right now. According to Fortune Business Insights, the global humanoid robot industry was worth around $4.49 billion in 2025 and is expected to reach over $165 billion by 2034. That is a growth rate of more than 50% every single year. Motor Intelligence puts the 2026 market value at around $3.93 billion and expects it to hit $17.8 billion by 2031. No matter which report you read, the message is the same. Humanoid robots are becoming the next iPhone moment, and Elon Musk wants to own it. For a long time, Tesla's Optimus robot was just a body without a real brain. It could walk, lift small objects, and do basic factory tasks, but it could not really think or talk like a human. That has now changed. Elon Musk has officially confirmed that xAI's Grok system will become the voice and the mind of Optimus. This is a huge deal. Tesla's robot now combines two of the most powerful technologies on the planet. The body of Optimus brings the strength and the movement, and Grok brings the intelligence and the thinking power. Together, this creates what insiders are now calling Grok Gen 1, the first true mass-thinking robot in history. Let us talk numbers because the numbers tell the real story. Grok 4 scores around 92% on the famous MMLU test, which checks how well an AI understands different subjects. On the SWE bench coding test, Grok 4 scores around 75%, which is higher than most other major AI models. The newest Grok 4 versions can also handle a context window of up to 2 million tokens. In simple words, that means Grok can read and understand huge amounts of information at one time, far more than most other AI systems on the market. This is the kind of brain that will now sit inside the Optimus body. Imagine giving a super powerful computer a real pair of hands and legs, and you can start to see what is coming. Tesla is moving very fast on the production side too. According to a report by Electrek from April 2026, Tesla will start Optimus robot production at its Fremont factory in California in late July or August of 2026. Just 4 months earlier, the same line was being used to build the Model S and Model X cars. Tesla shut down those lines completely to make room for the robot. The Fremont factory is expected to produce around 1 million Optimus units per year. A second factory in Texas is being built right now and will start production in summer 2027, with a long-term plan to make 10 million robots every year. These are massive numbers. And compare that to other humanoid robots in the market. Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot is not even available for public sale. Figure AI's Figure 02 is expected to cost over $100,000. Agility Robotics Digit also costs more than $100,000. Tesla wants to bring the price of a thinking robot down to roughly half the cost of a new car. If they can really do this, the world will change overnight. A small business owner could buy one robot to work in his shop. A factory could buy hundreds of them. A regular family could even afford one in their home in the future. Now, let us talk about what Grok Gen 1 will actually be able to do. According to leaks and reports from Bloomberg and Financial Times, this robot will not just follow simple commands. It will be able to learn from experience, adapt to new tasks, and even talk to humans in a natural way. With Grok inside, the robot can answer questions, explain ideas, and make smart decisions in real time. It can act like a teacher for a child, a helper for an old person, a worker in a factory, or even a personal assistant in a busy home. The combination of Tesla's full self-driving system for movement and Grok for thinking is what makes this robot so different from anything we have seen before. Of course, Tesla is not the only player in this race. Boston Dynamics is shipping its electric Atlas robot to Hyundai factories with plans for 30,000 units per year. Figure AI is now valued at around $39 billion and is running a pilot project at BMW. Chinese companies like Agibot and Unitree are leading in unit shipments, with Agibot holding around 31% market share and Unitree at 27%. OpenAI is working on its own AI-powered devices, but their focus is on smaller personal gadgets, not full humanoid robots. Google and Amazon are mostly focused on software. So the question is, why is Elon Musk still ahead in this race? The answer is simple. He is the only one combining 4 major industries at the same time. AI through xAI, robotics through Tesla, energy through Tesla batteries, and space and global communication through SpaceX and Starlink. No other company on Earth has all 4 of these pieces under one umbrella. Elon Musk also made another big move in 2026. Tesla invested around $2 billion into xAI to make sure both companies work together as one team. This means the smartest AI brain made by xAI will always have a home inside the Tesla Optimus body. There is no fight between 2 different companies. There is only one mission, and that mission is to build the world's smartest robot at a price normal people can afford. But this story is not just about money or business. It is also about the future of jobs and human life. The World Economic Forum has warned that the rise of smart robots could lead to one of the largest job changes in human history. Millions of factory workers, drivers, cleaners, and even office workers could lose their roles to machines like Grok Gen 1. On the other hand, this technology could also free people from boring or dangerous work and create new types of jobs that do not even exist today. The question is no longer if this will happen. The real question is how fast. Some experts believe Grok Gen 1 will be the iPhone of this decade. Others say it could be even bigger because this is not just a new device. It is a new kind of intelligent being that will live and work next to humans. The first units could reach early customers as soon as 2027, and by 2028 or 2029, we could see thousands of these robots walking around in factories, hospitals, schools, and homes around the world. Whatever happens next, one thing is now very clear. Elon Musk has done what most people thought was impossible. He has turned the AI race from a software battle into a real-world battle of physical machines, and right now his Grok Gen 1 robot is in the lead. The future is not coming slowly anymore. It is arriving faster than anyone expected, and we are all going to be part of it. If you found this story interesting and you want to stay updated on the future of AI and technology, please hit that like button right now and share this video with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next big story. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.